All right, welcome to Lincoln Land Summer School online. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick rundown of how exactly to log on to Blackboard. So that way you can get into our course component. So I'm going to send this out via email, so you guys should hopefully all be able to get that. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Lincoln Land Community College edu, so it's llcc.edu, and then you should be on the school homepage. So once you're on the school homepage, you're going to click My LLCC, and then down here at the bottom, there's a bunch of quick links that'll take you to how you registered for classes, to the bookstore, to Blackboard, and your emails over here. The two things that you really need to worry about for this course are your email, which you should already hopefully have access to because you're getting this, and Blackboard. So what you need to be doing for Blackboard is clicking on it, and then it will ask you to log in. You're just going to put in your username and your password, and then it will take you to this screen. It'll be like a home screen where it shows you all of your courses. You'll have like a toolbar. You can look at your grades, things like that. And then what you're going to do is to get to like any of your courses, like these are all courses that I teach, you're going to click on it. So our course is for this semester is this one, 2020 SM History 111 Section 2. So this is the first half of U.S. history. And all you're going to do is you're going to click on that. And boom, we are inside of the course shell. So all you need to do is those directions and you'll be inside the course shell, and you can look at the start here, which will take you through kind of all the little steps, and then you can watch video 1 and video 2, which will tell you exactly how to be designing your course. So thank you, and I hope to see you guys soon.